Multiply 75.5 by 0.85 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 5 plus the carried 2 is 27. Put 7 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 7 plus the carried 2 is 37. The first partial product is 3,775. Now use the tens digit, 8. Start one place to the left. 8 times 5 is 40. Put 0 in this column and carry 4. 8 times 5 plus the carried 4 is 44. Put 4 in this column and carry 4. 8 times 7 plus the carried 4 is 60. The second partial product is 60,400. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 7 plus 0 is 7. In the hundreds column, 7 plus 4 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 3 plus 0 plus the carried 1 is 4. In the 10,000s column, bring down 6. The product of the whole numbers is 64,175. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 3 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 3 decimal places. Place the decimal point 3 places from the right. 64,175 becomes 64.175. So 75.5 times 0.85 is 64.175.